What do you think is the most important question and very common question an interviewer asks you when you face any kind of interview? This is very important for you as well as for the interviewer, and that question is, what are your salary expectations, or how much you are looking for in terms of salary? I have seen that yes, most of the people who face this kind of interview of this kind of question, they get into a trap. They don't know exactly how to answer it in the right way, and as a result they get eliminated or they end up getting a very low salary package. So to answer this question, we really need to understand at what stage of the interview, at what round of the interview you are been asked this question. So if suppose you are asked this question at the last round of the interview, it means that interviewer is really interested to hire you, and he is genuinely asking you your salary expectation to process it further. But if the interviewer is asking you at first or second round of interview, there are more chances of getting an elimination if you not answer it in a proper way. To give you an example, suppose you go for an interview and there are already 4 or 5 more candidates with the similar experience as you have, and with the similar expertise, but you have asked for a higher salary. So your chances of getting into that job or that profile is very minimum, because interviewer will hire the other guy who is looking for a lower salary with the same expertise and experience, because always the interviewer, the recruiter always have this job to hire a better candidate at a lowest price. So if you really don't know what is the salary range company is willing to pay, and this question has been asked by the interviewer in the first or second round of the interview, so best way is to avoid this question. Don't give any number. So how you can answer this question? So I'll give you a sample answer. At this point of the time, I want to know a bit more about my roles and responsibility, and before I really give you an accurate salary range. So you can ask about your roles and responsibility, the perks and benefits, if there is any travel required. So this kind of question you can ask before giving any answer. But if the interviewer again insists to give you or request you to give a salary range or figure what you are looking for, so you can actually ask them that I'm sure that this profile or this position is an approved one, so as the salary range. So may I know what exactly is the salary for this profile you are hiring for? So in this way you can divert that answer towards the interviewer. So let them answer first, and then you can if the interviewers say that this is the salary range, then you can say, yeah, I'm okay with that, let's move ahead. So this is the other way where you can you can avoid answering this in a straightforward manner. But again, if further interviewer ask you or request you, now you please give me a range what you are looking for basically. So you can give a range from lower to really higher side. So to give an example, like you can say I'm looking for a hike for 25 to 50%. So you make sure that that range falls under that the expectation of the company what they are looking for. So while answering this, you make sure that you avoid getting eliminated, and then on the further round of the interview, when you discuss more about your roles, responsibility, your expertise and skill, how you can add value, then you can negotiate on a higher salary range. So if you are a fresher and you don't have that experience where you can negotiate with the recruiter, so the best way to answer is, as I am a fresher, I am really looking forward to build my career with your company, and I am looking forward to get an opportunity to work with the best, and I am very passionate about the profile, and I don't doubt that you compensate your fresher well, but for me really being a part of the team and learning are equally important. So this way you can answer if you are a fresher. So that's all from my end, friends. Thank you very much for watching. Do subscribe my channel. I'm coming up with a lot of videos, very useful videos on interviews and sales trainings. So for now, goodbye. Thanks. Bye.